Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 39. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Today is December 6, 2019, Friday, and in this episode, I'll be talking about International Container Terminal Services with a stock code of ICT. The question that I'm going to answer is, should you buy now or wait for a breakout above 126 pesos per share before you buy? So before we answer that question, let me give you a tour first on my analysis so that you know what made me say this and that later. Okay? So here, let's take a look at the chart of ICT. Today it closed at 120 pesos per share. Support is near 115.4. Resistance is at 126 pesos per share. Even though it's a green candlestick, we can see on the chart that it's still trading below the 10-day simple moving average, and the MACD line is trading below the signal line. In short, the 10s MACD combo of my Evergreen strategy is bearish. The moment the 10s MACD combo is bearish, or the moment the momentum power indicator is bearish, that automatically means zero confirmed buy signal for the stock. And that is the case of in ICT. That's ICT's case, I mean. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 50 million pesos on Friday. And these foreign funds have been on a straight net foreign selling status for 4 consecutive trading days, actually. All right, so we can see here also that the historical volatility score is at 24%. That makes a low risk level for ICT. However, please remember that it's not an automatic buy signal just because the stock has a low risk level. I am using this low risk, I am measuring the risk level of a stock using historical volatility for me to know if it fluctuates too high or too low. In short, I am using this to find those quote unquote heart attack stocks. Usually, these are the index companies. And what's the range for a low, moderate, high, or extremely high risk? It's all discussed in my Evergreen Strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. It's the online stock market seminar or online stock market course, which you will find on our website. For more details, visit www.equilyst.com and then click on course menu on the homepage on the homepage of our website. Going back to my analysis, the DMI chart here shows that the negative DMI is still moving above the positive DMI, but apparently since the negative and the positive DMI lines do not seem to want to separate from each other, this composes or this exhibits a sign of a sideways pattern. So I can't mention. Let's count before I totally conclude that part. Here, since the ADX rather, the ADX, this is the black line on the DMI chart. Let me magnify this. Do you see this black line? This is the ADX chart. ADX line rather. Since ADX has been moving below 25 points for more than my assumption tells me that it's been moving below the 25-point level for more than 30 trading days, I think. If that's truly the case, then this goes to show that ICT is more than likely to just bounce back and forth within this support and resistance range, 115.40 to 126. So I am not expecting a foreseeable, or I am not expecting a short-term rally. Let me paraphrase that. I'm not expecting a rally in the nearest possible time. Okay, it might take a while for ICT to move inside this range and not to register a trend yet. Okay, so let's take a look at the momentum power indicator. So let's go back to the written version of this analysis, because here in my EquiTalks episodes, we produce a written version of this, an audio version, and a video version. So 3 media for one freemium rather, free content with premium quality. That's why it's a freemium. Okay, so going back here, we can see that the last price is moving above the VWAP. However, the dominant range is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. Where's the dominant range? It's between 118.6 to 119.4. That's a bullish momentum power indicator. But even if the momentum power indicator is bullish, the 10 SMACD is bearish. Both must be bullish for me to say that there is a confirmed buy signal already. But there's none as of December 6th. There's none yet. For the true market sentiment on Friday, it was neutral. For week to date, it is bearish. So those two true market sentiment ratings for two different time frames do not help in terms of giving us a bullish conviction for this stock. So my recommendation is, if you still have ICT in your portfolio, and I am assuming it's because it's still trading above your trailing stop. If that's the case, then you can still hold your position, but do not top up yet. Do not average down yet. Okay? And for those who don't have ICT, I strongly recommend that you wait for the 10 SMACD and the momentum power indicator to become bullish. Now, if and when, for both of you, all right, for both of you, if and when you see a significant change in the price and volume of ICT, please ask for our latest analysis and recommendation in our private clients forum. And where is this forum? It's an online discussion board on our website that is exclusively available for our subscribers. So how to subscribe? Just visit our website at www.equilyst.com and click the subscribe menu or page on our website. And lastly, please do not forget to sign up to our newsletter so that every time we publish a new EquiTalks episode or any new article, you will be receiving an email alert for free. Okay, an instant email for free whenever we publish an article on our website. And of course, don't forget to follow us on our SoundCloud channel, on YouTube, or any social media, including Facebook and other social media websites. And you will find the links to our social media accounts right below if you are watching this on YouTube. If you are listening to this on our podcast on SoundCloud, you will find in the description right below the links for you to follow us on our social media channels, so you won't miss a single EquiTalks episode. So that's it for today in our EquiTalks episode number 39. Again, my name is JC De Guzman. Remember, be evergreen.